Magluluto po tayo guys ng special fried rice. Painit muna tayo ng mantika, kunti lang. Maglagay ng konting asweti seeds, parang pagpakulay lang sa ating fried rice. Saglit lang. Tinanggal na natin yung seeds. Mag-add ako ng balsa. Add ng onion and garlic. May natira akong kunting leftover rice, old rice. Maglalagay ako ng bagong rice. Halu-haluin lang muna natin ito. Maglalagay tayo ng black pepper. Magic sarap. Halo-haloin. And then, lalagay natin yung sweet corn and peas. Then, maglalagay na tayo ng celery, carrots, broccoli, and cauliflower. Optional lang po iyan guys. I got 2 fried scrambled egg there. And then I put aside the fried rice there. We put it back the fried rice. And mix well. It's only optional. You can add a little bit drop of oyster sauce. I'll put some spinach. It's only optional, guys. That's it, guys. Our special fried rice.